How to create Gemini Wallet account. If you wish to create a Gemini Wallet account, just make sure to launch the Gemini Wallet app first of all, and you will see this type of option. If you already have an account, tap the login button, enter your credentials like email, password, and you'll be successfully logged in. But if you don't have an account, and since we're trying to learning to create one, from the top right hand side, select the create account button and tap on it. Now it will ask us to create an account using email and password with our mobile phone, and also verify our identity and upload an ID. So tap the continue button and select the country that you're from. So let me just go ahead and then select my country of residence. Then tap the next option. It will ask us to enter our legal first name and legal last name. Make sure to enter them correctly because this has to match according to your document, and tap on it. Enter the email address you wish to use for your wallet or Gemini. Then tap on next. Then it will ask us to create a password. So let me go ahead and then create one right away. Once you've created a password, make sure that you've entered the correct password. If you're not sure, you can tap on the eye icon on the right hand side to view the password you typed in. Then tap on the create account button. It will ask you to create a PIN and use the fingerprint, so you can also go ahead and then make sure to do that. Now after you've done that, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then basically create your Gemini Wallet account. That's all it takes for us to create Gemini Wallet account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.